How to advertise your home-based business. Business globe is altering, as well as we are seeing the quick surge of individuals that are wishing to work from home. Some firms are seeking to make their workers subcontractors, considering that they wish to pay much fewer advantages. The economic situation and also organic calamities have actually influenced others. Because of this, increasingly more individuals are wanting to begin a home-based business of their very. There possibly never ever has actually been a better chance to begin a home-based business chance compared to currently. With the net admitting to the globe, the probabilities are almost unlimited. A storefront is no more required unless you are managing a big amount of items. As well as considering that it remains in your house, hundreds of bucks could be conserved annually. Every company will certainly offer a couple of various points to the prospective client. It will certainly be either an item or a solution. Yet either one should have advertising and marketing in order for the consumer to understand exactly what you supply. You're operating a home-based business possibility that will certainly prosper or fall short based upon this element. This write-up will certainly look to offer some fast suggestions regarding the best ways to advertise your company using the net. How to advertise Google AdWords. This is possibly among your ideal advertising devices for every single buck that is invested. This will certainly call for some research in choosing the best keyword phrases to make use of in the Google program. There is a price for each click. U 2013. Whenever a person clicks your advertisement, you pay a couple of cents, which is determined by you. Although efficient, it will certainly take a bunch of seeing to be able to obtain it right, and also to maintain it there. Send to search engines. Different websites will certainly send your internet site info, with your keywords, to several internet search engine. Some websites will certainly send your details to over 75 internet search engine free of charge. For an instead tiny charge, this number could be increased sometimes. These will certainly obtain the word bent on one of the most preferred engines, consisting of Yahoo, Bing, and Google. A variety of online search engine will certainly take greater than 3 weeks to specify your website. Produce a newsletter. This will certainly enable you to obtain your checklist of prospective clients. Prior to you send any type of prohibited spam, nonetheless, it is very important to obtain their authorization for you to send them something. This is one method to be able to once a week email your clients, and also in many cases, you could do it free of cost. Create free articles. Compose a write-up on your specific niche topic, the motif of your websites, as well as send it to sites that disperse cost-free internet material. If composed well, these will certainly be gotten by various other marketing professionals as well as presented on their website. Certainly, you need that your name, as well as site address, need to continue to be affixed near the bottom. This is cost-free marketing, and also it is feasible to be uploaded around the net. If you browse the net, there are numerous various other means to obtain the word out regarding your company. Put some brand new ones frequently and also see just what obtains the very best outcomes. Don't forget to like our video.